Here's the best fish and pork steak in town. Lots burned down, and looks like they're going to rebuild it. We got a bunch of blocks up here today, so looks like rebuild's coming. Yep, gonna rebuild it. How about that? Well, we're gonna take a side track today on my Africa Twin. Shoot down one of these old country type roads. See what kind of adventure we can find. Maybe we can find a little bit of off-road activity. It's 91 degrees, but the sun's not blaring, and so it's beating down on me, and I got wind moving around me, so it feels pretty good. The cornfield. At lunchtime. This does a complete turn. Had a little rain back here this morning. our descent. Take a little detour here, go a little off-road. Down here on some gravel. Don't you love these friendly signs, no trespassing? Friendly people. Yeah, let's see what we got back here. Here. We got an old cemetery, folks. Let's pull up here and see what this says. Bledsoe Cemetery, 1864. Land donated by L.R. Bledsoe. The upkeep is paid for by donations from relatives and friends. Well, let's walk over and take a peek at this. We put no trespassing signs up, but the fence is locked down anyway. I'm not sure where you would trespass to. But let's see, here we go. Bledsoe Cemetery, 1864. There's the gate locked. So, old grave site. Now, somebody keeps it cut for the most part. Now, I guess an old family here. And up there's a big cross I'll stop at next. That's an infamous for dumping ground for a murder back 10, 11 years ago. They just this year arrested the spouse on suspicion that he killed his wife and then dumped her body up here at the cross. So I'll go by and stop by there on the way out. But here's an old cemetery. And here's my Africa twin. Getting a little dirty. May have to give it a wash off. Still haven't got a license plate. I hope I don't get stopped. Anyway, she rides good. I'm getting used to this DCT. It's a sharp looking bike. Okay, thanks for riding along with me. I'll patch some more video with this.